Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows Media Player interrupted a problem while playing the file. This is the basic and step by step. Follow the steps. First step, go to the click to the search bar, search the device manager. You will click to the open. You will see the sound and the video and the game controllers. You will click to double click. You will see the audio. You will right click for disable device. After you will return for enable your device. But my Windows is no problem. You will change the steps. Okay. After you will go to next step. You will right click to the properties. You will click to the drivers. You will see the update driver. You will see the change automatically for the drivers. The best driver is your is already installed. You will click to cancel. After you will click to the scan hardware changes. You will go to the Windows icon. You will restart your PC or laptop. Problem solved. After you will go to the any song it is the playing. This sound is 100% working. Thank you for watching.